This is the afternoon weather briefing. This is for Tuesday, the 27th of August. I'm James Spann. Hey, it's hot. Then again, it's August in Alabama. We'll stay in the 90s this week. Got a few showers near the Gulf Coast today, maybe a few isolated showers statewide Thursday and Friday. A little better chance of scattered storms over the Labor Day weekend, but no washout. And the tropics are trying to make a comeback and activate a bit. Let's take a look at the upper air pattern across the country today. Got that big upper high, big H centered right on top of Illinois. On top of the heat bubble, we have the mid-latitude westerlies. And the visible satellite view, it's a sunny day for the northern half of the state. Got a few fair weather clouds over South Alabama. And again, for most of those, they have not developed into showers. This is the radar composite. And again, you can see a few spotty showers in the Florida Panhandle. Got a few rain showers offshore down around Cape San Blas, Indian Pass, St. George Island. But again, most of the state dry. Also, a few little small, tiny showers around Dothan and Geneva and Enterprise in southeast Alabama. We've got mostly low to mid-90s over the northern half of the state. Note Birmingham sitting at 95. It's only 89 at Ashland, 87 at Center. So a few of those communities on the eastern side of the state still under 90. But again, mostly mid-90s. Montgomery 95, Dothan 93. Mobile 97. We'll see numbers like that through the rest of the week as this late summer heat continues. But next week will be a different story. We'll check the watch warning map this afternoon. Heat advisories around places like Chicago, Detroit, Indianapolis, Cincinnati, over toward Philadelphia. On top of the heat bubble, a chance of severe storms later today and tonight from near Kansas City and Omaha up to Detroit and Buffalo. Tomorrow, a couple of risks well to the north, one over the Dakotas, one from near St. Louis over to the coast of New Jersey. And on day 3, which is Thursday, got a risk over the upper Midwest and for parts of North Carolina and Virginia. We'll check rain for the next 7 days. And again, we'll introduce the chance of a few isolated showers Thursday, Friday, a few scattered showers and storms Saturday, Sunday, Monday. This is the rain through Tuesday of next week. And of course, trying to draw these maps, it's almost impossible because of the uneven distribution of rain in summer. On an average basis, this is suggesting most spots under 1/2 inch. But some spots could see more. And the tropics, things are really calm. This is the 48-hour outlook. No tropical storm expected for the next 48 hours. And again, on the 7-day, the Hurricane Center flagging a little tropical wave out in the central Atlantic with only a 20% chance, a low chance of any development over the next 7 days. And if anything forms in that region, it seems to be headed in the general direction of the Leeward Islands. And if anything develops, that's a big if, will it recurve in the open Atlantic or keep coming west-northwest? Nobody knows that yet. It's just simply something to watch now. No tropical trouble for the Gulf of Mexico through Labor Day. But remember, the season runs through the end of November. Got a long way to go. Model fans, here we go, the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow afternoon at 4. Pretty impressive shortwave over Montana. They might see some mountain snow up there with that thing. But still, here we got the ridge in place. And tomorrow, just like today, hot, highs in the 90s, mid to upper 90s. Maybe a few isolated showers for the southern counties of the state. Thursday, again, mid to upper 90s. Isolated showers or storms possible statewide, but the chance of any one spot getting wet, about 1 in 5. The odds are not good. Same thing Friday. Highs in the mid-90s, partly sunny. Any showers will likely be very isolated. So the Labor Day weekend is here. Holiday weekend. Bring it on. This is Saturday coming off the GFS. This is Saturday coming off the European. You can see a little more aggressive with the chance of scattered storms, mainly for the northern third of the state. And there's a surface front north of here around the Ohio River. So again, Saturday looks partly sunny, hot. Maybe a pop-up storm in spots Saturday afternoon, Saturday evening, especially for the northern half of the state, highs low to mid-90s. And for the football games, both Auburn and Alabama with home games Saturday evening, there might be a shower or storm around during the first half of those games. Of course, there's no way to resolve the location right now. Just watch for radar trends. The second half of the game should be dry. Temperatures falling into the 70s by the second half of those games. They kick off about 6:15. Sunday, I would suggest this might be the day with the highest coverage of showers and storms. Still not raining everywhere. High should be in the low 90s, a mixture of clouds and sunshine, scattered showers and storms. And Monday, the front to the north will not make it through here. It's going to kind of fizzle out. Still a chance of scattered storms on Labor Day, and this is a week from today, Tuesday, September 3rd. The upper ridge beginning to retreat to the west, and that's a good thing for us. And again, evidence we could see scattered showers and storms about on Tuesday, and there's a pretty good chance we'll see highs dropping into the 80s over the northern half of the state as the ridge shifts off to the west. Let's go out 10 days. This is Friday of next week, September 6th. And again, that's a good look for us. The heights are coming way down. Evidence the air could be relatively dry. And again, highs only low to mid-80s. After Labor Day, looks like we'll stay in the 80s for a while. So this is rain for Birmingham, coming off the European ensemble. The mean is still up there a little over 2 inches between now and the 11th of September. Some of the ensemble members are showing more. Heat levels coming off the National Blend of Models, NBM. You can see mostly mid-90s for the rest of the week. Into Saturday, then low 90s, Sunday, Monday. After that, 80s. Hey, look at Wednesday of next week, the high of 82. Fall is coming. Lows in the 60s next week. And hot off the presses, got the latest 8 to 14-day guidance. This is for September 4th through September 10th. Temperatures near average for most of the state, maybe a little above average near the Gulf Coast. The main heat ridge way off to the west. And what do we do here? We got to roll some Children's of Alabama Kid Cam. Whoa, what a crowd. Goodness gracious. That's a packed house right there. I was at West Elementary in Coleman. Now, the 3rd grade in there, the 6th grade, also the 6th graders from East Elementary in the house today. And hey, that's a good-looking cake. I like those seasons, all of them. And, man, I love that popcorn. That stuff right there makes me happy. But just great. Great kicking off a new school year. They were so good today. We talked about the science of weather, different kinds of weather, how we forecast the weather, staying safe during severe weather, did a mini spotting school. They were just great today. So again, to all those 3rd graders and 6th graders in Coleman, thanks a lot for a great visit earlier today. Hey, you know you guys are looking good. Tomorrow, going to be up in North Jefferson County at Warrior Elementary School. It'll be a lot of fun. On Thursday, got a homeschool group at Vincent in Shelby County. And then Friday, going to Autauga County, Pine Level Elementary School. One of my very favorite stops on the Kid Camp tour every year. And no book signing on Saturday. Again, for those that don't know, and as we morph into the college football season, I do weather support at the University of Alabama. I'm at the home games, and they have a home game Saturday evening. They'll take on the Hilltoppers. That's a great meteorology school. I love their meteorology program there. Those kids are just outstanding at Western Kentucky, but they'll be in Tuscaloosa Saturday evening. And again, for both the Auburn game, they'll be hosting, I should know this, they're hosting, Alabama A&M, I do believe. And Alabama hosting Western Kentucky for both of those games. Maybe a pop-up storm about as the games begin, and we'll be certainly watching radar trends. But that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to watch us on the TV side, right across the hall in Studio A. ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.